Hey guys, IrwinTech here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to install Clustertruck on your Chromebook. Before we start today's video, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to my channel, and turn on those post notifications so you get notified whenever I upload brand new videos to my channel. Another way of supporting me and my channel is you can buy my memberships. They're linked in the description below as always, or you can hit that little join button right next to the subscribe button and gain access to loads of monthly perks such as gifts, emojis, badges next to your name in live streams, and comments. You can also get a secret members only Discord and secret members only live streams. Also, don't forget to join the Discord server linked in the description below. Also, if you haven't heard already, I just released brand new merch on my channel. We got hoodies, sweatshirts, t-shirts, phone cases, stickers, and much more. Go check it out, linked in the description below. As always, maybe even buy some merch. It'd be greatly appreciated. But yeah, guys, I really hope you enjoy the merch designs, and let's just get straight to the video. Alrighty, guys, so before we start this tutorial, what you want to do is go to these two websites, which will be linked in the description below. As always, the first website you want to go to is the Steam website. Like I just said, is linked in the description below. As always, it'll redirect you to the Clustertruck purchase page. Then what you want to do is scroll down to buy Clustertruck. What you want to do is create a Steam account first, log into that Steam account, then go back to here, click add to cart, and then purchase Clustertruck. And then what you want to do is head over to the GeForce Now website. After you've gone to the GeForce Now website, go to the top right hand corner of your screen to the login button, click on that, and you're either going to log in with your existing NVIDIA account or create a new one. So if you don't have a NVIDIA account, click join today, but if you do, hit this little NVIDIA button right here. It will normally ask for your username and your password. You just want to do that, then click login. But since I've saved my username and password in the website, I can just click on my username and it will automatically log me in to GeForce Now. Once it says you're logged into GeForce Now, close out of this tab and the page will refresh with you and your brand new GeForce Now account. After that, go to the search bar at the top, click on it, then type Clustertruck. It will say looking for the next available rig, gamers ahead of you, and it'll say a certain number. For me, it's 132, and it'll keep going down. Just wait for that number to go down to 0, and it'll be your turn to play. So we're going to wait for that right now. Alrighty guys, so Clustertruck is loading up and it is our turn to play. So we're just going to wait for it to finish loading. Then it's going to ask us to go full screen. It's going to connect to your Steam account. Once this is Steam, you want to log in with your username and your password that you used to purchase Clustertruck, and then Clustertruck will launch up on your Chromebook and you can have fun playing the game. Since I didn't purchase it, it won't allow me to play, but I showed you guys how to purchase it, how to make a Steam account, how to make a GeForce account, and now I'm showing you how to sign in with your Steam account so you can play. So basically after this, when you enter in your account name and password, Clustertruck will load up on your Chromebook and you can enjoy playing. So yeah guys, that's about it. Now enjoy playing Clustertruck on your Chromebook. Thank you all for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe to my channel, and turn on those post notifications to get notified whenever I upload brand new videos to my channel. Another way of supporting me and my channel is you can buy my memberships. They are linked in the description below. As always, you can hit that little join button right next to the subscribe button and gain access to loads of monthly perks that I mentioned in the beginning of the video. Also, another perk to subscribing to my channel is you can comment down below, I subscribed, and I'll give you a shout out in my next video. So here are those people who commented down below, I subscribed. Go subscribe to their channel, search them up on YouTube, and show them some support. That's all for now, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.